Hey guys, Matter 35 here, BoxBusters.tv. Guys, we're doing 2 boxes, 2015 Topps Chrome Football, March 12th, 2016. Guys, thank you so much for joining in tonight's break, and good luck to everybody. Here we go. Box 1. Empty. Box 2. Empty. Good luck. Topps Chrome Football. Here we go. All right. 2 packs left. 2 packs and 1. All right. Here we go. Topps Chrome, guys. Topps Chrome. Let's do it. Thank you again. Here we go. Ty Montgomery, super rookie. Sean Mannon for the Rams. Refractor, Jesse James for the Steelers. Sean Mannon again. Amari Cooper for the Raiders. Emmitt Smith. Patrick Willis for the 49ers. Steven Diggs, super rookie. Blue coming up. That's pretty cool. Jeremy Langford out of 50. Very nice hit for the Bears. Congratulations to the Bears. Jeremy Langford. For the Bears. There we go. But do you have the Bears? Anybody? 50. For the Bears. Nice hit. Winston rookie for the Bucks. There we go. Peyton Manning, Broncos, 4,000 yard club. Demarius Thomas for the Broncos. Frank Gore refractor for the Colts. Strong super rookie. Texans, Matt Forte, green for the Bears. Eric Kendricks for the Vikings refractor. Odell Beckham Jr. for the Giants. Randy Gregory, pink, out of was it $3.99 Cowboys. Refractor Trey Mason for the Rams. Here we go. Winston for the Buccaneers. Melvin Gordon refractor. Chargers. Lamar Miller for the Dolphins refractor. Gale Sayers. Jeremy Hill for the Bengals refractor. Leonard Williams super rookie. Here we go. Jesse James again, green. Steelers. Emmanuel Anderson, refractor. Blue coming up. Matt Forte for the Bears. Julian Strong, out of $2.99, black refractor. Earl Thomas, Seahawks. Bryce Petty, super rookie. And Austin Hill for the Jets. First one's good. Second one, not so much. Austin Hill for the Jets. Marcus Mariota refractor. That's pretty cool. Mariota refractor. Peyton Manning, Broncos. Devin Smith, super refractor. Eric Kendricks, green. Chris Conley, super refractor. Super rookie, not super refractor. Super rookie. Last stack, guys. Here we go. Max Williams, Philip Dorsett, green. Kenny Bell refractor. Luke Kuechly, Ronnie Lott, pink. Blake Bortles, $3.99 for the Jaguars. Joe Green, 50th Super Bowl for the Steelers. Larry Fitzgerald for the Cardinals refractor. And Giovanni Bernard refractor for the Bengals, and that's it. Alright guys, let's do a recap real quick. Thank you so much, guys. Here we go. Austin Hill, Jeremy Langford. There you go. There's your two hits. Guys, Mater 35 here, Box Busters.tv. Just completed a 2-box break. 2015 Topps Chrome. Thank you so much, guys. March 12th, 2016.